Hey friends, curious about what NGL Premium Hints actually reveal? Well, in this quick breakdown, I'll explain what these hints offer, how accurate they are, and whether it's worth the upgrades. So when you subscribe to NGL Premium, what do you get? Hints for each anonymous message. These aren't the full identity, but instead show you data like the sender's location, their device type, the time the message was sent, and occasionally a person's Instagram follower status. So first, how to access them. You need to tap on Hints, Get Hints. Under any message, you'll be prompted to subscribe monthly, yearly, or a trial version. Once active, the Hint button becomes clickable and reveals extra data. So are these hints accurate? While they give a general idea, they are not 100% precise. Is it worth it? If you're deeply curious or want to narrow down guesses, it might be fun, especially with multiple messages. But if you're expecting full identities, it's not going to deliver that. So it gives clues, but not faces. Use it for fun, not investigation. Like this video if it helped, and check the description for links. Stay safe and smart online. Thanks for watching.